In this demonstration, we'll share the enhancements made to managing Workspot gateways. The Workspot operations team continually updates hundreds of customer gateways as needed, requiring 8 steps to complete for each gateway, a time-consuming process. With partners taking on this support role for their customers, they too will need help at managing this as it scales. We've brought this management automation into Workspot Watch and have reduced the execution time from 8 complex steps to just 2 simple clicks. Let's take a look at the demo. This is Workspot Watch connected to a dev environment. I'm logged in as John Dave. He's part of a support and operations team. Let me quickly search for this company, and this is Lokesh at indevqa.ws. I'm going to navigate to the Infrastructure tab, and this is the new Operations tab. This is the gateway where I'm going to install the patches. I will move to the right where you can see the new Actions column. I'll select Install Patches, and now we see the new pop-up screen. I have the option to select all the severity of patches. I'm going to select Reboot if required. There are 0 active connections here, which means there will be no user impact. I'm going to click Yes, and that's it. Done. If I search here on the Trace Events, I see user accountability as well. John Dave has executed this patch installation. We have simplified a very complex task.